Hi viewers, welcome to this video and today I will be teaching you how to fix speaker crackling on laptop in Windows 11. So just let's start. So first of all, you guys have to open up your device manager. Open up your device manager and after opening it up, double click on audio inputs and outputs, click on it and from here search for your speaker just like it's my speakers. So I will click on it. And after clicking, you guys have to go on to drivers and click on update drivers and update your drivers from here. And after updating your drivers, just close it and search here mmsys.cpl. Enter it, and after entering it, search for your speakers here, just like here is my speakers. So I will just click on it. After that, you guys have to go on to advanced and you guys have to change a bit of these default formats. Just try changing it and make sure that enable audio enhancement is disabled. So after changing and disabling the audio enhancement, your problem of speakers crackling will be fixed, and that's how you guys can easily fix the problem of speakers crackling on laptop in Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.